10, 12. Can any be divided by 2? Yes. Divided by 2 is 5. Divided by 2 is 6. Can be divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Cannot be divided by 2, therefore equal. Cannot be divided by 2. Can be divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 5 cannot be divided by 3, therefore equal. Cannot be divided by 3. Can be divided by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 1 cannot be divided by 5, therefore equal. 1, 1, okay, finish it. 2, 3, 5. 2, 1, 2. 2 times exponent 2. 3, 1 time. 5, 1 time. Okay, exponent 1. Here, 2 multiply 2 times. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 4 multiplied by 3, 12. 12 multiplied by 5, okay, 60. Okay,